This time we will learn about point style in ZWCAD. Did you know that we can change the look of the point in ZWCAD? This feature called point style. You can access the feature from Tools tab and find the point style menu at the right of ribbon. From point style windows, you can change the look of the point and size of HTE point after we zoom in and or zoom out. Point size will set the point size based on screen percentage and or fixed size. But if you do not want to show the point, just select point for point style. Otherwise, select another point style according to your need or project. Let's try point style size. Click point style menu and change the ointment size to 10 or 30. Click OK. Zoom in or zoom out the type region to view the different. Now, click point style and set point style size to 5, put check mark on set size relative to screen. Zoom in or zoom out the type region to view the different. Now, click point style and set point style size to 5, put check mark on set size in absolute unit. Zoom in or zoom out the type region to view the different. Can you see the different? Type the different in the comment below.
Subscribe, like and share if this video useful. Thanks for watching.